Hello everyone. Let us now discuss how can we solve this problem. Next, greater numerically balanced number. So we are given with an integer x so an integer x is numerically balanced if for every digit d in the number x there are exactly d occurrences of the digit in x, right? So let me give you an example of a numerically balanced number. Further, let us go with the next thing. Given an integer n, return the smallest numerically balanced number strictly greater than n. Let us see what is a balanced uh, number, numerically balanced number. This number, I am saying this as numerically balanced number. Why? Because it is having 1, and what is the frequency of 1? 1 is occurring for one time. Now let us take x is equal to 22. Now 2 is present for 2 times, so it is balanced. Now x is equal to 1 double 2. Now 1 is present for one time, 2 is present for 2 times. Let us take x, wait a second, x is equal to 1 triple 3. So here 1 is present for one time and 3 is present for 3 times, right? So in this way, these numbers are numerically balanced numbers. Now we are given n, get the next strictly greater numerically balanced number, right? That's what we need to return. So here I am using a brute force approach, but if you see, we can go with the table of representing all the numbers. There will be like till 6, the last one will be 1 double 2 double 4 double 4, I think so, right? So this might be the last number which is in int minimum, sorry, int max range, integer range, right? So we are given with the constraints of n is 10 power 6. We are given with 3000 and then 1000 and then 1. After that, 22 will be the number which is having which is numerically balanced. Let us take, so we need to go 133 elements here. Here we need to go 333. Let us go with n is equal to 1. I need a number which is greater than n, so we'll start with 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So here 2 need to be present for 2 times. No, it is not present. 3 need to be present for 3 times. No, 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 no. So all these are no's. 0, can 0 will be should be present in the number? No. Why? Because if 0 is present, it should be present for 0 times. It makes no sense, right? So 1 is present for one time, but 0 should not be present, right? Now 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and then 20. If you see, 0 should not be present, so we'll neglecting it. Now 11, 1 should be present for one time, but it is present for 2 times. So no, it is not our answer. 2 need to be present for 2 times? No. 3 need to be present for 3 times? No. So all these are wrong options. 21, 22, 23. Let's go till here. 1 is present for one time here, but 2 is present for one time. 2 need to be present for 2 times. So this is not what we are looking for. 2 is present for 2 times. Yes, we got this. The number is numerically balanced number. So we'll return this. What we just did is iterating for I is equal to n plus 1, and I, as I said, will go to 1 double 2 double 4 double 4, right? If is valid, this I is valid, then return I there itself. If not, we'll be returning 0. But how can we know that the number is valid? So is valid function will write the is valid function number. So we'll take s, which is nothing but a string. We'll convert this number into string. Now we'll create a vector of int with frequency of 10 comma 0. Now for auto C, nothing but a character in S, let us increment C minus 0 plus is equal to 1. We are incrementing the frequency map. Now, for int I is equal to 0, I is less than 10 and I plus plus, if frequency of I is greater than 0. I am starting with I is equal to 0. Why? Because even if frequency of 0 is greater than 0, nothing but 1, 2 or 3. So if frequency of I is greater than 0 and and frequency of I is not is equal to I. If there is 0 but it is having 1, so this is not a valid one. I got one number but it is present for two times, so this is not valid. I got two but it is present for uh, only one occurrence, so it is not true. So all these are wrong cases, right? So if this is the case, then return false there itself, right? Now, if not, return true at the end. I have given the code link in the description. Go and check it. And if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. And please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.